Hey there, my name is Kyle Berry. I'm the CEO and founder of Kaizen Marketing Agency, and I hope that you're loving some of the free gifts that you just got through this email. The free Canva templates are incredibly powerful. Please use them. They convert super, super well. The video templates and the shot list should give you the prudence and the understanding of what you need to do now to get the content that you need that will actually grow the restaurant, not some fictitious idea or trending audio or trending video that I think is going to work. This stuff has converted thousands of dollars in revenue. And I'm going to show you right now exactly how we use those Canva templates, those video templates inside of real ad accounts to generate revenue. And I'm going to give you a bunch of examples. The reason I want to show you this is I want to show you the possibilities. I want you to be confident as a restaurant owner, this stuff works. Have you tried it before and it failed? Yes. But have you cooked food before and it sucks? Yes, it happens. It definitely happens. The problem is you didn't have the right chef. You didn't have the right guy putting the right ingredients together to give you the real results that you're looking for. Being a restaurant owner, I was a restaurant owner at 18 years old. I owned a restaurant for 3 years. I ran my family's business. I worked there for 10 years prior to that. I love restaurants. It's all I did. I still have the oil burns and the scars on my hands from working in the kitchen for so long. I've been in every part of a restaurant and I love them and I want to see them grow. The reason I started this company is because my father's business got taken from us after the '08 crash. Our restaurant literally got ripped out from underneath us. We lost our home. We lost our restaurant. We lost everything. And I made it my mission in life to ensure that every restaurant had the potential to grow to the goals that they wanted to reach. If you just want to consistently be open and have new customers coming in every single week so that they see your food and they enjoy your ambiance, enjoy your location, awesome. We can do that. If you're looking to open up 20 franchise locations across the US and boom, your restaurant, we can do that as well. Let me dive into some ad accounts right now to show you exactly what we're doing step by step for a few different restaurants. And I'm going to show you both Google and Meta. So starting off on Google, here's a client that is a fast service restaurant in Tampa that we are running Google advertisements for, that is driving foot traffic through Google Maps. It's putting them on top of Google search. So if anybody looks at any of their menu items or anything to do with their category of business, they're the first one to show up. And then we're also doing advertisements on YouTube and display ads that drive the customers directly to the business. The beautiful thing about Google advertising is the data that it allows us to get and the fact that we can use Google Maps to get you in the top of Google Maps listings. Even if you're not the closest restaurant to the person looking it up, you can still be on top in your service area. So with this campaign here, you can see, and this is the part that I know that you guys care about as restaurant owners, is am I making money? So this is a campaign we've been running for over a year. We spent $28,000 in total for this client over the year. We generated 8,359 new customers. It cost us $3.43 to get a customers. Those customers came in through store visits. So you can see here, we got 2,162 store visits. How do they track that? Google's actually tracking the consumer that clicks on the ad and their phone coming to your physical location. Super powerful. So I can see 2,162 store visits, but I also can see 3,324 online orders. And I can see 253 leads, and these leads are specifically for catering and large events. Think how powerful this is. So with that, not only can I see how many customers came to the store, not only how many people are looking for catering, not only how many online orders happen, but with those online orders, I can see the revenue that was generated. So yes, we spent $28,000 on Google ads, but we did $57,000 in online sales directly from Google ads. And that does not include the 2,162 people we drove in through their front door. That was a store visit. It does not include the 253 catering jobs that we got from the $28,000. I know with restaurant, your COGS are normally 70% of the actual, you only got a 30% markup of what's going on. Your numbers are small. This right here is showing us that it costs us roughly around $5 to acquire a new customer. And for Go Green Lane specifically, that customer stays with them for an average of a year and a half and does over 25 transactions, which means they're extraordinarily profitable from Google Ads campaign. Let's move to another one. This is a client that we started this month. It's November 15th right now. We can see the data from November 1st to November 15th. This is a brand new client. The reason I wanted to show you this one is to show you how fast we can bring success. So within the first 15 days, we spent $281 just getting started off, not spending a lot of money. We saw 2,000 people saw the ads. We got 169 clicks over to the website. And with that, we got 22 online orders specifically. This account is so new, it's not even showing me store visits yet. But with those 22 orders, it cost us about $12 to get an online order. And we did roughly around $439 in revenue, or a 2x return on ad spend. Are we profitable yet from just these numbers? No, we're not. But by the end of the month, when my data starts showing store visits as well as more online orders, in the first month, not only will we drive over 50 new customers to their business, but we're going to be profitable with our advertising ventures. Now let's move over to Meta. Meta is Facebook and Instagram. Let me be very wary in this and explain that there's two different types of search or advertising platforms out there. There is supportive advertising and interruptive advertising. Supportive advertising is Google. I have a problem. I'm looking for a solution. My ad supports their problem and puts my business in front of them to solve that problem. I go to Google, I look up food near me, an ad pops up that shows me food. That is supportive advertising. Interruptive advertising is Meta, Google, or Meta, YouTube, any social platform, Snapchat, X, TikTok. All of those are interruptive. Why? These people are scrolling through their social platforms, not looking for a restaurant, not looking for food, and we're hitting them with ads that say, this is our restaurant, here's our food, you need to come check it out. The biggest strength of these two platforms is that if you use both, you can interrupt a person's day, tell them about their business, get them interested, get them hungry, and then have them look up food on Google, and you're the top one on Google. AKA, you made them hungry, and then you made them think you were the only option to get that food. Super, super powerful. So let's dive into meta advertising and see. We're going to use another client here. Buckingham Farms is a farm-to-table restaurant in Southwest Florida. Look at the purchases coming in. These are all online sales, purchase. And here I can show you how many sales we got, and I also can show you purchase revenue. Scroll over to the right here, you can see the total amount of purchases, the cost per purchase, the purchase conversion value of how much revenue we actually brought in, and then the return on ad spend, almost 4x, 3.5x, 3x, 1.2 for new customer acquisition, 2.8x for a holiday special that we're doing, constantly giving a positive return on dollars spent. Now, this is the beautiful thing about our Facebook and Instagram package. You know, all that creative that we just gave you, that Canva templates and all of those video templates, we will actually make those for you. We will build all of those out for you inside of our campaigns at no additional cost. You just follow that shot list, get the shots, send it over to us. We build the beautiful high-performing images. We build beautiful high-end videos that engage with customers and close business and move the business forward and bring in more revenue. We build all of this for you. All you have to do is send us over that shot list. But again, you can build this for yourself with the Canva templates we gave you, with the shot list, with the videos. You can build out this same system. But 90% of agencies that you go to and 90% of businesses that you work with to try to grow your company are not going to put in the effort to build a purchase-based campaign. This needs a high degree of tracking and a clear understanding of how to use these accounts to actually generate purchases. Otherwise, you're going to be spinning your wheels, putting your ads out there, and never generating any revenue. Let me give you one last client before we close this out. This is the Newsroom. This is a much different client. This is a high-end speakeasy in New York City with the average ticket order being over $100. What we're doing for this client is specifically reservations. We're not focusing on sales. They don't do any online ordering. They just do reservations. Last 30 days, we can see that we generated 60 reservations at a cost per reservation of $52.60. Our reservations are going after couples. Most reservations that we're getting through Meta is over a 3-top, an average of a 4.2 per table from the Meta advertisement. And it's $52 to acquire the table, not the customer. So their average ticket order is $112 per customer. That means my $52 cost per reservation is actually going to bring them in on average over $350 in total revenue, giving huge profitability. And we're only going after net new customers. So this will drive new customers in that will increase the value of your business over time by coming in time and time and time again. And again, we make some beautiful creative for them across the board that allows us to really engage with this consumer base, really bring in a level of success that we couldn't see previously, that they didn't see previously, by leveraging our creative ideologies behind their shot list and then coming in with our unique media buying style to create this crazy level of success. Now, I know you probably get hit with 20,000 phone calls and 100,000 emails every single day about marketing agencies trying to grow your business. That's why we started off by giving you value first. I wanted to give you the Canva templates. I wanted to give you the video shot list. I wanted to give you all of that so that if you want to put in the sweat equity, you want to do it yourself, run it. take care of it, get it. I hope and pray your business grows and that I can see you flourishing and thriving off the things that we gave you. But if you're not quite sure how to use those things, or you just don't have the time and don't want to deal with the headache, that's what we're here for. Book an audit with us. There's going to be a video. There's going to be a button right here in the top right corner that allows you to book an audit with us. There's also going to be a button on the email that allows you to book an audit. In that audit, I'm going to give you an overview of how to use those Canva templates, how to use those videos, and exactly what you need to do to find success. And you can either make the decision then. You do it yourself or you pay for us and don't deal with the headache.